Hey everybody, Pat from the Logue Group with another great property tour. Today we're at 2741 Asbury. Perfect location in town. Come on, let's take a look inside. 2741 Asbury on the beach side of Asbury Avenue. Perfect location in town. Welcoming front porch, then brings us into an open floor plan. The kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, fireplace, hardwood floors that are in great shape. Come upstairs to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. First bathroom. We have some extra storage room. When this house was built, it had the ability to put an elevator in. 1 bedroom and closet. The rear or alley facing portion of the home features 2 bedrooms, access to the deck. The master suite includes large vanity and full bathroom. As we head out towards the garage, there's a side entrance to the home. There's also an entrance from outdoor shower, brings you right into the home via the garage. Plenty of storage down here for your toys and all your beach accessories. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any more property tours. And also, here's my contact information. Reach out if you have any needs. I'd love to be able to help you. Take care, everybody.